A few days ago, I attempted a GCSE maths paper. Didn't go well. I got 49 out of 80. So today, to redeem myself, I thought I'd do my SATs maths paper. For any rogue Americans that may have stumbled across this is SATs, not SATs. Completely different. I may do an SAT at some point though, because I heard they're multiple choice. Yeah, I think I can have a go at that. I wanted to do English first, but the format is a bit annoying. So I just thought I'd do maths again. Yeah. So I'm going to put the questions up on the screen, just like before. And I'm going to do it right now. I can't be bothered to print it out, so I'm just going to say it out loud. Number 1, write these prices in order, starting with the smallest. Okay, I guess 27p, and then 72p, and then £2 and 7 pence, and then £2.70, and then £7.20. Woohoo, 1 mark. Number 2, Amy chooses 2 of these cards. She adds the numbers on her 2 cards together. She rounds the result to the nearest 10. Her answer is 60. Which 2 cards did Amy choose? Easy. She chose the cards 23 and 33, because that would be 56, and 56 does round to 60. Right, off to a brilliant start. Number 3, this table shows 6 different types of cats and where they are found in the world. Which type of cat is found only in Africa? The cheetah. Is that maths? Which types of cat are found in all 3 parts of the world? The wild cat and the leopard. It's not giving maths, I won't lie to you. Liam, Sarah and Amy buy lunch at his salad bar. Yuck. Liam has £2.50 to spend. He buys a tuna salad and an apple pie. How much money has he got left? I do believe it's 40p. Sarah buys a cheese salad and a yogurt. Amy buys an egg salad. How much more does Sarah pay than Amy? My goodness. A cheese salad and a yogurt is £1.55. An egg salad is 90p. So 65p more? Wow. Write these times in order, starting with the shortest. Okay, 48 hours is the shortest. Then it's 24 days, then it's 10 weeks, then it's 1 month, and then it's 10 weeks. Embarrassing. In this diagram, the rule is to make the number in a triangle, multiply the numbers in the 2 squares above it. Simple enough. Write in the 3 missing numbers. Okay, 24, 4, and 40. Sorry for the lighting, I can't do anything. I mean, I can, I'll just wait. Calculate 336 minus 192. Okay, well, to make 192, 200, I add 8, and then 200 and 336, that's 136. 136 plus 8 is 144. That's my answer, and I'm sticking to it. Each of these 4 squares has been cut into 2 new shapes. Write the letters of all the new shapes that are hexagons. What an interesting question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so B. B and F. I believe it's B and F. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. B and F. Write the letters of all the new shapes that are pentagons. Do you know what this reminds me of? That episode of, I think it was a Foot Locker thingy, and it was Harry Pinero, and it was Philly, and it was Nella, and they had to draw a hexagon, and then Philly drew an irregular hexagon, and they didn't give him the mark. Clearly, this proves that, yes, that would have been a hexagon. Anyway, I'm counting pentagons now. C and G are pentagons. Moving on. A book has 5 stories in it. This is the contents page. Deep Water finishes on page 68, which is the longest story. Ugh, maths. Okay. Rocket Ship is 12 pages long. Night Journey is 8 pages long. Secret Palace, 16 pages long. Jack 18 pages long, and then Deep Water 9 pages long. So this Jack is the longest, right? It's only one way to find out, obviously, but I'm pretty sure it is. This is really fun, guys. I don't know what a cowl diagram is. Here is a cowl diagram for sorting numbers. Write these 5 numbers in the correct places on the diagram. Okay, 3-digit. Okay, so 247. I'm pointing to the screen like you can see. Maybe I can point above me. 247 is in the first box. And then 990 next to it. And then 25 below 247. And then 7002 below 990. So we've got, going clockwise, 247, 990, 25, 7002. But it could be 25 or 49, couldn't it? Oh, 5 numbers. Okay, so 25 and 49 in position 4. Lovely. Calculate 634 times 6. Wow, I didn't know they were doing all of this. Wow, okay. 600 times 6 is 3,600. 30 times 6 is 180. 4 times 6 is 24. 204. 3,804. That's right. Big wheel roller coaster. This is going to be long. Liam spends £14 altogether on the big wheel on the roller coaster. He goes on the big wheel twice. How many times does he go on the roller coaster? Okay, 14, big wheel twice, £5. 14 minus 5 is £9. How many times does 150 go into 9? 6? £150, 3, 450, 6, 750, 9. So he goes on the roller coaster 6 times. Quick maths. Liam has 2 different sizes of rectangle, 45 and 20. He makes this pattern with them. This is quite interesting. Calculate the lengths of A and B. Okay, so 20, 20 is 40, 45, so A must be 5. And then 20 times 3 is 60, 60 minus 45 is 15, B must be 15. Here are 5 number cards. Use 3 of the number cards to make this calculation correct. How interesting. Let's do 1.5 plus 3.5 times 2 equals 10. I wonder if there's another way to do it. I'm not going to stick around to find out. A nice cake costs 10p more than a plain cake. Sarah bought 2 of each cake. They cost £1 altogether. What is the cost of an iced cake? Um, 55p, 45p, and then for the plain cake, iced cake is 10p more, 55p, 45p plus 55p is £1. This would have gotten some of you out, I know that for sure. Amy has some circular tiles and some rectangular tiles. She makes these patterns with them. For each pattern, put a tick if it has a line of symmetry, put a cross if it does not. Okay, first one is a tick from me. Second one, a cross, I fear. The third one is a tick from me. And the last one is a cross. Three different numbers add up to 40. These numbers are all even. Each number is less than 20. Write what the 3 different numbers could be. Okay, 10, 14, 16. That's not right. That is not right. 14, 18, where are we now? 22, 14, 18, different numbers. This is scary. 16, 14, 10. Yeah. Bloody hell, that was hard. Liam makes a sequence of numbers starting with 300. He subtracts 125 each time. Write the next two numbers in Liam's sequence. Not negative numbers. How scary. Oh, goodness. Okay, so the next number would be minus 75, and then the final number, minus 200. Didn't like that. I really hope there's enough space here for the question. Okay, here is a grid of dots. Point A and point B are joined by a straight line. Draw a line to join point A to another dot on the grid so that the new two lines make a right angle. Trust that I would know this. Guys, plot twist, I can't figure it out. Oh well, I tried. I've dropped a mark, guys. Circle the fraction that is greater than a half but less than 3/4. That is interesting. A third? That's not greater than a half, isn't it? Okay, it's not. 5/8? Yeah, let's go 5/8. The perimeter of this rectangle is 50 centimeters. Calculate the length. Interesting. Okay, so it's a rectangle, so it will be 7 on the other side, that's 14. 50 minus 14 is 36. So 36 divided by 2 is 18. That should be correct. It really should be correct. A shop sells books, CDs and DVDs. This pie chart shows the sales of each in 1 week. Estimate the fraction of the total sales that were DVDs. Estimate. That's interesting. Let's go a sixth. In this week, 200 CDs were sold. Estimate how many books were sold. Okay. Well, I think CDs is around a sixth and DVDs is around a sixth. So that means the books is 4/6. So 1/6 times 4 to get 4/6. So I do 200 times 4. So I say 800. I think that's quite a fun answer. Write the missing number to make this calculation correct. (11 times what equals 1,111? Okay, well 11 times 100 equals 1,100. So 11 times 101? They almost got me. Here is a quadrilateral on a square grid. The quadrilateral is translated so that point A moves to point B. Draw the quadrilateral in its new position. Believe me that I would have gotten this because I know about translation. Just believe me. Yeah, just believe me. Okay? Thank you. 1 mark still, damn. Sarah had a bag of cherries. She ate 5 cherries and gave half of what she had left to Liam. Liam ate 5 of his cherries and gave half of what he had left to Amy. Amy got 2 cherries. How many cherries did Sarah have in her bag at the start? Okay. Amy got 2 cherries and Liam gave half of what he had left to Amy, which means Liam had 4 left and he ate 5 of them, which means he had 9. But then Sarah gave half of what she had to Liam, which means she had 18, but then she ate 5, which means she had 23. 23 minus 5, 18, divided by 2 is 9. 9 minus 5, 4. Divided by 2 is 2. Yeah, 23. You go, girl. Beautiful. If you know 40% of a number, explain how you could work out the original number. Well, that means 4/10. Okay, 0.4 times x equals y. No, 0.4 times x equals y. So to get x, all I have to do is divide y by 0.4. That's my answer. Simple as that. Simple as that. End of test, yeah! Oh, I'm excited. Let's look at the answers, babes. Should I, low-key, I don't even want to do any editing. So I'm just gonna go and look at the answers straight away. Because I just can't, the editing is long as hell. Do you remember my answers? Because I don't. 23 and 33 for number 2. Cheetah, wildcat and leopard, yep, 40p. 65p, yep. I didn't do working out, I didn't need to, I was right. 48 hours, 24 days. Yep, I almost messed up on that one. 24, 4 and 40. Yep. 144. B and F. C and D and G. Jack. Award 2 marks for the table computers. Yep, 25 and 49 did that. 3,804. I think I said that. I think I did. Definitely said 6. I counted it on my fingers. Yeah, 5 and 15. Yep. 1.5 plus 3.5. I did do that. And you could have done a half plus 3.5 times 2.5. Whoa, that is big brain. I got 30p. No, that's not right. Excuse me. 30p. No, it's not 30p. Cost of a nice cake. She bought 2 of each cake. This would have gotten some of you out. I know that for sure. Oh no. Oh, that is so embarrassing. Truly it is. Yeah. No, I didn't get the right angle one right. 5 over 8, definitely said that. 18 for 21. Yeah, I did get 18. Answer in the range 13 over 100 to a half inclusive. No, that's not fair. Wait, if a 6th falls in that range, then that is fair. I don't know if it does. Answer in the range 500 to 800 inclusive. I said 800, didn't I? I did a 6 times 4, 800. Woohoo! But I just about made it. Diagram completed. The whole like translation thing. Just assume I got that right. Award 2 marks for the correct answer of 23. I did get 23. I didn't even remember what the question was, but I do remember 23. The one about timesing 11. Did I get that? 101. Yes. Excuse me. Test B. Oh, I didn't do test B. Should I do test B? Let me know if I should do test B. But let's look at the final question, which was 26. I do believe I got that right. Must be multiplied by 2.5. What did I say? I said 0.4x equals y. So x equals y divided by 0.4. What's 2.5? I don't know. Okay, anyway, we're done. I got 35 out of 39, which is 90%. It's okay. Not good enough though.